Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Bodnar. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about combining shapes using Pathfinder in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start to draw a few shapes. Go and select the rectangle tools, for example. And I'm going to draw here a rectangle. Yeah, let's fill in this with red color. Yeah, for stroke I'm going to set the yellow color, and the size for stroke, let's say 3 points. Okay, I'm going to click on selection tool, press the Alt key or option if you work on Macintosh, and let's duplicate this rectangle. For the new one, I'm going to fill in like a green color, and the stroke, let's say black. All right, let's duplicate another rectangle. Okay, I'm gonna to fill in this rectangle, let's say with dark blue, and for stroke, let's say red. Yeah, okay, and also I'm gonna to draw a circle here. All right, I'm gonna to fill in this circle with yellow, and the stroke I'm gonna to set the color with green. Go and select selection tool. Yeah. Alright, so we are gonna to talk about this tool, Pathfinder. You might found it here somewhere in this panel area, or if you don't have enabled this tool, Pathfinder, you just go on a window menu and have a look here. It should be here somewhere. Yeah, it is about this Pathfinder. So if you don't have this checked symbol here, that means your tool, your Pathfinder tool is not enabled. So give a click on it, and when this checked symbol appeared there, that means your Pathfinder is enabled, and you might find it here somewhere within Adobe Illustrator workspace, or somewhere here in panels area. All right, so we have these options here in Pathfinder used to combine shapes. The first one is called Unite, which creates a compound shape by unifying the shapes selected where they are overlapped. Yeah, so let's select all these shapes and click on Unite option of Pathfinder. Here you go. Now we only one shape made by combining those shapes what you have seen before on the screen. Yeah, as you can see, and the new shape inherited all the features of the last shape created. Which was the last shape created? The last shape created was a circle, yeah, which was filled in with yellow color, and the stroke was set with green color. So as you can see now, this new shape created by combining those shapes inherited the features of the last shape created, which was this circle. I'm going to press Ctrl Z, and now all these shapes are back. Yeah, and now you can see very clear that the shape which was combined, inherited the features of this circle, yeah. And actually the shapes the new shape was created, was combined where they were overlapped, yeah. I press again, so here the circle is overlapped with a rectangle, here and here these rectangles, yeah. So let's click again on unite, and as you can see, all those shapes were united and created this new shape. Okay, let's press Ctrl Z. All right, I'm gonna to move, but first let's deselect this by clicking outside of selection. Let's move this rectangle here, this circle here overlapping the rectangle, yeah. All right, let's duplicate this circle. Okay, and now I'm gonna to select all these shapes, and I'm gonna to use this option of Pathfinder called minus front, which will create a compound shape by subtracting the shapes which are in the front. Which are the shapes in the front? These two circles are the shapes in the front. So that means these two shapes will be excluded, and where the circle overlap. So let's click on this minus front. Here you go. As you can see now, it was retained. Just this part from the rectangle, because these two circles and the area what they overlapped was excluded. All right. So let's press again Ctrl Z. Okay. And now let's deselect this first. Let's move this circle here, and I'm gonna to select all these shapes, and this time I want to use this intersect option, yeah. Let's click on it. As you can see, we receive this message: the filter produced no results, please select two overlapping paths. So that means this option can be used just with two shapes overlapping, yeah. So I'm going to remove one of these shapes. Let's remove this one, the circle. All right, and let's select these two shapes, and now I'm going to click on this option intersect, which will create another compound shape, will retain the area which is intersected by these two shapes, so, or will retain the area intersected or overlapped by shapes. So click on this intersect option, and here you go. Now as you can see, this area of those two shapes was retained, yeah. And as you can see, it inherited the features of the last shape created. All right, let's reorganize these shapes, yeah. All right, and now I'm going to select all these shapes, and I'm going to use this exclude, which will create a compound shape excluding the overlapping shape areas, yeah. Click on it, and as you can see, all those areas which were overlapped was excluded. So let's press Ctrl Z. It is about this area which is overlapped, and this one here, yeah. All right, click again on exclude option, and the new shape which was created using this option exclude inherited features of the last shape created, yeah, as you can see. All right, let's select all these and delete, and let's draw a circle here, yeah. Let's change the color for the stroke as well. All right, and let's draw another 2 circles here inside this circle, yeah. Click on selection tool, select this, and click on minus front. Here you go. So now you have another example how you can combine shapes using this minus front option. For example, these 2 circles were excluded because they were in the front of this big circle. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.